So China is considering developing floating nuclear power plants for its islands in the East Sea and South China Sea. This initiative aims to address the critical power consumption issues on these islands, particularly for radar and signals interception facilities and military installations. The idea emerged in late 2016, focusing on alternative power sources. Two 60-megawatt nuclear power reactors are ready for deployment, with trials underway in the Bohai Seas. China may deploy 3 floating nuclear reactors in the South China Sea by 2025. In 2021, a nuclear incident at the Taishan nuclear power plant in Guangdong province raised tensions. The EDF Group of France, holding 30% of the plant shares, clashed with China. Resistance within China's military circles against floating nuclear power reactors also surfaced. Russia, a proponent of such plants, faced challenges in selling them due to slow development and cost escalations. China's nuclear power ambitions face challenges in security, maintenance, and infrastructure integration. Despite their capacity to power over 100,000 people and desalinate water for 60,000, the island's low populations and land scarcity pose logistical challenges. Environmental concerns, highlighted by incidents like Fukushima's radioactive water release, add complexity. International environmental groups like Greenpeace oppose China's plans, seeing them as threats to strategic sea lanes and marine ecosystems. Former Chinese generals warn of strategic risks and suggest alternatives like mainland electricity grids or solar power. China faces resistance from provincial leaders and concerns over long-term impacts on coastal communities and marine life. The ongoing trials of 2 developed reactors in Shandong province highlight supply interruptions and core stability issues. Potential impacts on South China Sea claimants include increased militarization, self-sustainment challenges, and environmental consequences like fisheries disruption. In summary, China's pursuit of floating nuclear power plants for its islands faces technical, environmental, and geopolitical challenges, raising questions about their feasibility and long-term sustainability.